Hello, welcome back. Today we're talking about the rigid NXT lineup of vacuums. I know they're not new. I have two. I've went through 10 of them. Why 10, you ask? Sorry. Left these two I rolled in the pile. As you saw in many of my other videos, we're working on a basement remodel, and not remodel, more like an add-on, because we just bought this house with an unfinished basement. So that's what we're talking about today, the rigid NXT vacuums. They've been out for 7, 8, 6, 7, 8 years. Yeah. But I decided to smell it because my stepdad has the same crevice tool, so that's why I had to smell it, because his smells a little different. But first, let's start. Dual foot, 7 foot long, dual flex. Things like this part's more flexible. And then this one's just more bendable, so like it can crimp. This part is probably not gonna happen unless you make it happen. See, this is nice, which I have total parts for at least 7. Like at least 7 extension ones and 5 nozzles. Yeah, at least 5 nozzles. So this hose will come with the NXT 9-gallon and the NXT 6-gallon. With this hose, easy to store it. I just do that. You just store it on top of it. There's really no spot to store the hose, but instead of you store it up here or around the bottom of the vacuum. But on the 6-gallon and 9-gallon, see, it has this cord wrap built into the handle. So you just screw the handle on, and that's basically your cord wrap. This is just for me, because when I had my eye surgery when I was doing cleanups, I wrote, I felt it and did those symbols, the OI, whatever you call those, the on and off symbols. I wrote on it to make it a little easier for me to see. And see, I didn't do that to the 6-gallon motor head. And the 9-gallon is a 4 1/4, 4.25 peak horsepower. The 6-gallon is a 3.5. I mean, pretty much the only thing that's different. I mean, the motor's the same, unless it's just in a different shape. But it's pretty much the drum shape, the handle, and the switch, and the latches. Those are pretty much the only changed things. And now we spend time on the 9-gallon. Let's spend some time on the 6-gallon. Again, it comes with the same dual flex hose. It comes with the same 10-foot power cord. But if you want to, I might do this. If this cord ever goes bad on me, I might use my 50-foot 25 foot, yeah, I think it's 50 foot, 14 gauge HDX cord, and just make a bigger cord wrap for the handle, and how the handle goes on. You see, it takes you have 4,000, 5,000, you have 6,000, or you have 7,000 filter. You see the cord wrap, you just wrap around like this, and I put my foot on there a lot of times. If I'm leaning against something. Then snap that cord there. Again, everything's the same except the gallon capacity and the motor. So there's my review on rigid NXT vacuums.